Silvia. I am doing a lot of online art tutoring. I'm based here in London, but you could be anywhere in the world, and we could have an online art lesson together. And how do I do it? How it's done? And what is your experience of this? Depends on many things, especially your internet connection, but also my tools I use. I'll give you a quick introduction of what it is that I do. During our lesson, online art lesson, I will be using this Ava document visualizer, which is a video camera, in fact, which scans in what's happening beneath it, and your experience would probably look, depending on the size of your monitor, look like this. That you get to see the picture underneath with me showing you how it's done, whatever we're doing, whether we're drawing or sculpting, working on annotations. That depends on what you need. If we were to learn how to draw together, we could perhaps use this model of an ear I have, and my visualizer is scanning it down, and you can see the image underneath in quite a great detail. If that detail wasn't enough, I can always, with the buttons over there, I can always zoom it in and press of a button, sharpen it more, or go back to its original size, like so, making sure it's all sharp and clear for you too. Apart from drawing together from the objects like this, we can also do some painting. If I were going to demonstrate the paint technique, perhaps using these lovely watercolors, of course on my side it looks like this, but on your side it would look like something like this, minus the reflection of me on your screen. You should be, there you go. When I'm painting, I can zoom in and out at the same time for you. Say we're studying the grain of the paint, or we are just exploring colors and color mixing. There you go. This is what you'll see. This is what it's like on my side and on your side over there. Quite a direct, spontaneous and hands-on experience. I hope you enjoyed this video, and next time I show you something else. Cheerio!